Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to create tree maps in Tableau. Tree maps are very important in Tableau and you use it frequently. So first of all, connect to the dataset and head over to a new sheet. I will take the sum of sales to size and I will choose the colors as category. I will take the subcategory and put it under details on the marks card. I will also put the product name on the marks card. Now you can see that Tableau has displayed a tree map. Once you hover, you can see under the tooltip, you have the category, the product name, the subcategory and the sales. So you can see tree maps are very good part of data visualization and very easy to create. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Tableau tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you would like to learn next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.